What is up, y'all? This is Cutie Pie 88. I am back. Took a little hiatus, just living life, taking vacations, such and such, but I am back doing what I love. So okay, today I am back with another unit from ilikehairwig.com. Yes, I've worked with them before and they have amazing affordable units. This wig right here is revolutionary. Let me tell y'all, revolutionary wig. Y'all talking about quick glueless wigs? Y'all just check this unit out. This thing is amazing. So let's go ahead and unbox this unit. Cute orange box. Very, very well packaged. Great packaging and quick shipping. All details of the shipping and everything will be down in the description box. So it has a little card here, information card. And this is a 22-inch unit. This is a 5x7 kinky edge wig. So kinky edges, y'all will know what I'm talking about in a minute. So this is a kinky edge closure wig, and like I said, it's 5x7. So let's go ahead and open the packaging. Y'all, this thing is said to have the most perfect and natural hairline. So I am really excited. Thank you ilikehairwig.com for sponsoring this video, of course. All right, let's take her out of this package. Let me see if there's anything in here. Of course, they're gonna give you some goodies. Pack of 2 caps, a rat tail comb, and a little pouch here with some clips and an edge brush, of course, always useful. All right, so this is a 22-inch wig and it's curly. Ooh, it looks true to length already. So let's take her out. Ooh, y'all, a lot of wigs be like it's 22 inches and it don't look like 22 inches. This one looks like it's definitely going to be true to length, which I love. Straight out the box. Loving, loving, loving these curls. Come on, camera, focus. All right, loving these curls. Very, very nice. I can definitely tell how defined the curls are going to be once some product gets on it. But let me show y'all this kinky edge wig, okay? This is the revolutionary part of this wig. So like I said, it's 5x7. Let me get this out of the way first. 5x7, it has combs on the side. So 2 combs on each side, 1 in the middle at the crown. I usually end up taking that one out just so it doesn't snag my hair. And 1 in the back, and it does have adjustable straps. And this elastic band. I love this elastic band. It's not adjustable in the middle or anything, but you can definitely cut it off if you don't need it, but I find them to be very helpful. So it looks like this lace is pretty nice. Definitely the standard kind of tan lace, but let me show y'all. Y'all check this wig out. Can y'all see this? Look at those kinky edges. If I have never seen a natural hairline, this is it. So y'all don't have to worry about laying those baby hairs down with those over exaggerated baby hair. This will give you the most natural look, okay? Relaxed girls, even relaxed girls, our edges aren't straight all the time. They definitely curl up. So check this unit out. It will definitely give you the most realistic hairline and edges ever, okay? So let's go ahead and put her on. I'm gonna try to do her glueless at first and let's see how it goes. So I have put her on. I have not cut the lace yet. It does come with a lot of lace, so you're gonna have to flip it up before you cut it. But let's just get into the way this hair feels. It is so soft. It is not hard or crunchy at all, and I definitely feel like it is true to length. Look at how long this unit is. It literally goes to my waist. So definitely true to length with it, which is excellent. I'm not getting any shedding. Y'all, this hair is soft. Like, this hair is soft. And I'm loving the wave pattern. And check out these edges. Like, I love it. Now, I don't do any kind of ball cap method, so I'm either going to take this off or try to put some skin color foundation on it to just make it blend, because this is some good lace. The cap is definitely showing through. So I'm gonna have to, let me see if I can just push this back for the sake of this part. And look at these edges. Like, I'm trying to really show y'all. I love it, and I love the way it goes all the way down the lace, so it doesn't like stop right here. It goes all the way down the lace. So I am excited to go ahead and cut this lace off and give y'all a good perspective of how this unit really looks. Totally glueless, not melting it down or anything like that. I really want to see how natural this unit is, so y'all stay tuned. All right, so the lace is all cut off. So of course, not really feeling it the way it is right now, but you do have to do a little bit of blending of the baby hair because the curl pattern is really tight on the baby hair. So you just got to do a little bit of brushing. But y'all, like, I could definitely wear this glueless. I just have to make the lace my skin tone, and I feel like that would fix it. So I'm going to put some foundation on the lace in the middle part to make the part more pronounced. But as far as I can see, I'm loving these little curls around this hairline. Like I said, I have to make this my skin color, but the lace looks pretty good so far, if y'all can see that. And like I said, the edges go all the way to the end. So this is 5 by 7, so it's 5 inches. Wait, you know what? I think it's 7 by 5, but I'll straighten that out because I don't know if it's 5 and then 7 or 5 and then 7. So I'm not sure, but I love how it goes all the way to the edge of the lace closure. And yeah, let me just brush these baby hairs out and put some foundation on the part, and let's see how she is looking. I'm going to add a little bit of water to the curl just to see how the curl pattern is, because we still got to focus on the actual hair as well and the quality of the hair. But these edges are taking a shine, so let me do that. Let me brush out these edges a little bit and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm going to use the Fit Me foundation stick in color 330, which is Toffee Caramel. If you can see it, Toffee Caramel and number 330 in the Fit Me foundation stick. I'm just going to take a little angle brush and dab it in, and we are going to just put it here. And y'all, of course, I did use the Perfect Line Swiss. I did use the Perfect Line Swiss in the middle of the part here, just to make that scalp a little bit more realistic. If you have not heard of this product, the information will be down below, but it really makes the parting space look really realistic without bleaching the lace. But I'm just going to add some foundation to here, and it just makes it a little bit lighter, not too out there, but it makes it just look more like scalp. And just rub that in. So I'm going to take the other end of my angle brush, and I'm just going to play with these baby hairs a little bit. just brush them out, and look at that. So natural and so realistic looking. Look at that. I absolutely love it. I had to kind of rough up my edges as well because it didn't look right with my edges like slicked back. So I kind of brought, because I have a very low hairline, so I had to bring some of my edges down and it blends in perfectly. I just have to make sure this lace kind of hits my skin because this is definitely a glueless install. But I'm just separating the baby hair from the rest of the wig and kind of brushing these baby hairs out. I'm not doing anything else to this wig but just brushing these baby hairs out, and it's looking great. So this little spoolie brush is working really good at helping brush the baby hairs out. And I'm just going to go further in laying down the wig and making it a little bit flatter at the top. Okay, so I'm probably doing much more than you actually need to do with this wig, but y'all understand that y'all can literally put on this wig, fluff up the edges and go. Like fluff them up, brush them back, and you can literally go. Me, I am gonna do just a little bit more tweaking with the baby hair, like just adding a little bit of, you know, edge control just to kind of lay them down away from the, you know, primary area of the wig. I'm just using some even edge control, but I love, love, love the concept of this unit. Take it right out of the box and you don't have to do anything, and the curly edges really, really make it look more natural and more realistic and more like your real hair. Like I said, you don't have to use this step, do this step, but I'm just putting a little bit of edge control on there just to make them a little bit more straightened, prolonged, and more noticeable, more pronounced. So that is all I'm doing. Like I said, y'all don't have to do this step, but that is about it. I am loving this unit straight out of the box. Like, you don't have to do anything. Of course, I do feel like you need to put some water and some product on the actual hair, but this curl pattern is beautiful, and I'm loving these natural edges. No more long baby hairs that look like bangs. You know, they're cute, especially if you do them correctly. I've worn them before, but if you want just a lace wig with natural looking edges you don't have to do anything to, definitely check this wig out. The information will be down below in the description box. But yeah, it's ventilated edges, and it makes the most carefree wig ever. Like, oh my gosh, you don't even have to bleach. You don't even have to bleach the knots. Like, it looks so natural, and this is truly an effortless wig. You don't have to bleach the knots or anything. This is truly an effortless, really effortless wig. The hairline is very dense, so I like that about it. It's not thin. It looks like this can be your real edges. All right, you guys, here is the finished look. I just wanted to come to you guys with the final product. Overall thoughts of this wig. I believe this is a great concept. It really makes the wig, you know, totally effortless, and you can definitely rock this wig glueless. I do feel like you do need to put a little bit of finishing touches on the wig, such as foundation on the part, and, you know, playing with the curly edges just a little bit and kind of make them your style. But all you have to do is brush these edges and go. So definitely check out the information in the description box. Definitely check out this unit. I believe it is revolutionary when it comes to realistic and natural looking wigs. Definitely check out this unit. Once again, this is a 7x5 ventilated edges, curly edges wig from ilikehair.com. The link will be down below, and definitely check out the coupon code down below as well. Y'all check this unit out. It is definitely worth investing in. Like I said, this is 22 inches, and this unit will be worth every penny. You will definitely make a good investment. So last look at these curly edges here. Absolutely gorgeous. No spray, no nothing like that needed to lay down this wig. You don't even have to lay it down, just put it on and go. So I am loving it. So you guys, like I said, check out the information below. Hope you like this review, and definitely give me a thumbs up and drop a comment, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you guys content. All right, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Bye.